Imagine if you had the power to erase your most painful memories with the push of a button. Heartbreak, trauma, failure, embarrassment, gone in an instant. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that scientists may have just discovered something shockingly close to a real memory reset button inside the human brain? This isn't science fiction. It's science catching up with our wildest imaginations. Welcome back to Infinite If, where we dive deep into the craziest what-if scenarios in science and tech. Our brain is like a supercomputer, storing billions of moments, emotions, and experiences that shape who we are. But not all memories are worth keeping. Some haunt us, holding us back, replaying themselves over and over like a broken record. Scientists have long wondered, can we selectively erase these painful memories without harming the rest of the brain? Recently, research into memory formation and storage has revealed something incredible. It turns out that memories are not locked in place forever. They can be weakened, altered, or even completely wiped away by targeting specific neurons. In other words, there may actually be a reset switch built into our biology. This discovery comes from studies on how the brain processes long-term memory. When we recall a memory, it temporarily becomes fragile, like reopening a file on a computer. In this state, it can be edited or even deleted before being saved again. Scientists figured out that by interfering with the brain's chemistry during this process, they can prevent certain memories from being stored back, effectively erasing them. Imagine a future where a doctor could sit you down, connect you to a machine, or give you a treatment, and then ask, which memory would you like to forget today? But here's where it gets fascinating and terrifying. If we really had the power to reset memories, how would it change who we are? Our personality, our decisions, our relationships, they all depend on the memories we carry. Without the pain of a breakup, would you still appreciate true love when it comes? Without the sting of failure, would you ever push yourself to succeed? What if soldiers with PTSD could live peacefully again, freed from the horrors of war? Or what if criminals erase their guilt to escape justice? The possibilities are endless. A memory reset button could cure depression, erase phobias, and help people recover from trauma. But it could also be abused. Governments might rewrite minds, corporations might delete protests, and individuals might choose to forget responsibility. Memory is more than just data, it's our story. And without it, are we even the same person? So here's the real what-if question. Should humans ever be allowed to control their memories this way? Would pressing the reset button make life easier, or would it erase the very struggles that make us human? Scientists are still only scratching the surface of this discovery, but one thing is certain, the line between science fiction and reality is getting thinner every day. If you had the choice, which memory would you erase? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring mind-bending possibilities like this, make sure to subscribe to Infinite If, where the future is only one what-if away.